Okay, so this is the GHD. So going forward, all you need to start with, we can work on your lower back. There's a couple of variations you can do on this. So lower back first, all you can do is make sure that when you're on the peg, that when you stand up with it, and when I'm leaning over, it's just below your hip. I want full range of motion here, that's what the game plan is. Any higher than that, it's gonna restrict you, it's not gonna work the job. So, lower back to start with. Your feet should be going dead straight for this. Make sure your hips aren't rotating or skew with. To start with, pretend there's a board on my back. So that's where I'm gonna stay. My hands, I can cross them over, peacock my chest as I come down, and I'm gonna push up. That's all I'm doing. I'm working on my lower back for this one, that's what it's for. Down, up. What you want to avoid, I don't want you to swing and do it, just to hyperextend your back. Keep it nice and strict, squeeze, and then stop. That's lower back for the GHD.